off-roading in the Porsche Cayman.
It sure feels like we are.
Welcome back to the channel. Hit you with an awkward high five. Before we get going, you might as well click like, comment, subscribe, and follow along because we are on a roll thanks to our not sponsored, just love it, brand ambassadors, free for Celsius.
That was something. You said something. All I got out of that is you like Celsius.
I like Celsius and Porsches, and sometimes you.
Sometimes.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something fun. I noticed on our last short, not the last one, but one of the last ones, I'm a babbling buffoon.
Yep.
I didn't notice that on the short, but what I noticed on the short is, for a long time I've been super annoyed by something with your car.
But it's perfect. Everything about this is perfect.
I'm just gonna get out of the car and show people what they already know.
Are you?
Boy, how I love the new Macan. You know what I don't love? Exactly what I've been trying to show you guys. As you all know, look at how horrendous that looks with only having some of those LEDs showing. That boy has been rolling like that for much, much longer than should ever be possible on a Porsche. We're gonna try to fix that today. Come along with us, let's have some fun. I am so excited to do this stuff in the freezing cold like we always do.
Isn't that the best part of it?
It is. So there are two zip ties. One there, one over here. Dunzo. Then we gotta take this off. I'm glad we bought these tools.
The trim tools?
Yeah. Okay. A little bit of a gap there. We're gonna put this very technical string here.
You gotta give it a nice strong tug. Yeah.
Till it sounds like you broke something. Then you know you did it right. Here we go. Now we need to take the shrink wrap off.
With the very fine tool of a finely tuned blade, which is Christopher's razor.
Are we ever gonna do some car mechanicking when it's like summer outside?
No, winter's project season. It's just not our fault, well, not my fault that you don't have a heater in the garage.
All right, let's speed this up while we take off this shrink wrap and the next shrink wrap. Babushki.
All done.
How simple was that? So it just fits into that little, like it is a little light. Now, for reasons unbeknownst to me, we're gonna tape this back up. I guess I do have a good reason for it. So that it doesn't corrode or get dirt in it.
And so the next time we want to interact with that piece, we have to cut it all off.
Because why wouldn't we want to make things more difficult for ourselves? Now, we just want to hide this up by the other one. Because we don't need it no more.
Nope.
There, that's hidden. Easy peasy. Pumpkin squeezy. Slap this back on here, and you're going to start from outside to inside. Bam!
Perfection!
Look at us! I didn't have to change out of my Lululemon pants. I got my Porsche hat on. We're in a dirty garage, but we did a thing
And the car looks absolutely no
And
different.
we didn't get super dirty. So before we sign off, I just want to thank hashtag not our sponsor, Celsius. It keeps us going throughout the day. It's just delicious. So you might as well have some.
How was it?
Oh, this is really good. This is the mango passion fruit. Super superb. All right, turn that camera around. Let's say goodbye.
Well, thank you for tuning in today. And make sure you click like,
Comment, subscribe, and maybe someday Tyler will actually do some wrenching.
maybe. But for now, enjoy this little bit of a glimpse of what it looks like now without the spars lit up.